Hello everyone, this is Dhruvo. So today I am going to show you how you can download all your course materials from Coursera, and you can do that by going to your course video and then download each video at a time. But using this method you can download all of your Coursera videos at a time of that course. Okay, without wasting any time, let's get started. So first of all, what you will need to do is you have to install Python in your Windows or Linux or Mac OS Mac machine. Okay, so I have already installed Python. You can download Python from Python's website and install that. Also, for Linux you can also do that, and for any other operating system you can do that. And after doing that, you have to install PIP. So PIP is already installed, but in some cases I have seen that in Linux operating system PIP is not installed. So in that case, what you have to write, you have to go to the terminal in Linux and then just type Python. So it's better to use sudo Python for Python 3.8, 3.7 or 3.8. You have to write Python 3 install pip. Then you will there will be a prompt for your password, and when you type your password and press enter, the pip will be installed. Okay, so Python is installed, pip is installed. Now we will dive into our work. So first what you will need to do is, what I will use today is coursera-dl. This is a Python program which also have a GitHub repository. Here it is. These all are the materials of the coursera-dl. You can find the readme file here, where you can find the how you can install and how you can use this. Everything is described here. And then if you are facing any problem, you have troubleshooting section also. So let's go to our work. First, what you will need to do is install the coursera-dl. For this, for in Windows, you have to go to press Windows key plus R to go to run and type cmd and press enter. In command prompt, this is a command prompt. In command prompt, you have to write pip install coursera -dl. This will install coursera-dl in your system. I already have installed, so it didn't take any much time. It's saying requirement already satisfied. Fine. Now what you will need to do is, after you have your coursera-dl installed, you have to go to your coursera.org and log into your account. I have already logged into my account, and then you will need Firefox browser. For any other browser like Chrome and Edge, this is a little bit hard, and you will need another software for software inspection. Sorry, software, not software. This is a storage inspector. For Firefox, you have to press Shift F9, and there will be a pop-up which will show you storage inspector. And from storage inspector, go to the cookies section and go to this coursera.org website, and here you can find so many values, name and values. From here you go. This is CAUTH, CAUTH. This auth value is something that we will need. Just double click on the value and your value is selected. Now just right click and select copy. Fine. Now let's go to let's go to our directory where we want to save our course materials. So I have created a folder named Coursera. Let's go to the folder, and this is a file coursera-dl.conf. Okay, this is needed for your login to the Coursera server from your command prompt. I will provide the link of this down in the description in the YouTube video. So let's open this with Notepad, and here you will need to change something. Here after username followed by a space, type your username. For me this is okay. Now for my here you will be your password. I won't show you this. Okay. After that what you will need is that you copied the auth that you just copied from your browser. Just go to the Notepad and inside the inverted comma just paste it. Fine. Let's put the password for me. And then press Ctrl S to save the file and close it. Fine. Now we'll download our course. So I will need to I want to download, let's say, this course which I didn't yet complete using Python to interact with the operating system. Just click on this and then go to course. Okay, the course window is opened, and now go to the address bar and see after the coursera.org/learn/ this is your course name. Not after this the /home/welcome. You have to ignore this. Just this part is your course name. Copy this and now go to the folder where we want to save our course material. Now just go to the address bar in that folder and type cmd and press enter. Voila, we are inside the folder in our command prompt. Now just type Coursera -dl space the course name that we copied. You can paste it just with your mouse's right click and then press enter. Woohoo, it's processing, and as soon as it finishes processing, we can see there will be a folder created in the folder that we are inside the command prompt. Let's wait for that. What it is doing now is it's fetching the data from Coursera's server, and then it will download the videos. Not only videos, it will also download the subtitles as well as the quizzes from the server. Yes. So as you can see, the course material is being downloaded, and there is a folder created where you can see the videos are already being downloaded, and a video is already downloaded. Let's open this. Woohoo! This is downloaded. So using this method you can
Hi there,
download
and
any course from Coursera that you are enrolled, not any course. You have to get enrolled in that course first, and then you can download the course. So that's it for today. Hope to see you in the next video. Thank you. Bye bye.